Since childhood, I was on very heavier side. I was very chubby. Even my cousins used to say you are like crocodiles. I used to work hard and party even harder. Hi, I am Vijay Kandrikar and this is my transformation story. Since childhood, I have some breathing problems, asthma. I'm not able to participate in many active sports or any other activities. So my friends used to say you are just a lazy person. So after teenage, this corporate job happened. I'm a software engineer, so I have to sit and code like for 8 to 9 hours. I used to work hard and party even harder. I used to explore all the food chains, always having those unhealthy food and overeating. I started, increasing my weight. I started feeling more, dizzy, anxiety. I feel more back pain. I was unable to sit because of my back pain. That's a very big point in my life where I'm not able to give time to myself and it is impacting my career and everything. For me, doing a diet means having tasteless food, eating salad and sprouts. And being a foodie, I don't want it to, skip those my food love. My wife, she asked me, if you don't want to do for yourself, do it for me. Just help me in my transformation challenge. She took me to one fitter seminar conducted by JC and he explained how the things work here. My wife did a very fantastic research over a coach and she picked up Amok Gadewar. What I like about Amok is he tried to understand you. He gave me a good diet plan. Quantified nutrition is a very simple concept. You have to take care of your protein, carbs and fat macros. So you can eat whatever you want to eat, but you have to quantify your diet. Like I have to have my dal, chawal, roti, paratha, biryanis and pasta, everything under micro. One important thing which Amok has told me, whatever happened, you have to take your protein intake. I joined a fitter on October 2019 and I used to do all my home workout with a pair of dumbbells and a few resistance bands. I used to do a resistance band training, then dumbbell bench press, stiff leg deadlift, shoulder press, stair running. If you have the good guidance, if you have the good coach, it will help you to do workout at any place with any equipments. I found a fitter a very unique community towards the fitness. You get tons of knowledge from fitter and which is free. There are many live sessions which encourage you, which help you to clear your doubt. This is a very interesting and a very noble thing about this community. Looking at my transformation, Amok asked me to enroll into the TC11 challenge. There are almost 15,000 participants and it was a very happy moment for me that I'm able to see my name under 250 and my father was very proud on me. Post transformation, I feel lighter, I feel more confident, I feel more stronger and very active. I just wanted to convey all, we don't have to compare ourselves with anyone else, everyone is different. So just put your consistency, discipline, dedication and byproduct, what you get is the result. So you have to start and do it. Just do it.